Hey guys, it is Rarefine1 here, and today we are going to go ahead and play Block City Wars for the first time. Or I might say today we are going to be playing Block City Wars. And, this is going to be the first time we ever have a video of us playing, well, this game mode. And, first of all, if y'all want to see more pics, or not, if y'all want to see Block City Wars, like more of Block City Wars on the channel, leave a like, subscribe, and share. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, now we're probably going to be playing this for like so much time. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my settings and third person game sensitivity. Since when in the world did they... When in the world... Oh, the sensitivity? Wow. That's so much sensitivity, huh? Well, that's never going to change, guys. That's definitely not going to change. And ignore everything in the background. It's totally normal. Totally. It's like GTA 5. Oh, no, you don't. Whoa! Actually, the sensitivity might actually help, I think. Oh, really? You're shooting at me? Am I really being aimed at? Thanks, man. Really appreciated. But that won't last for long. I have no clue why the city's falling into chaos. It's crazy. Ooh, a bike. I wish I could ride it. I don't even own it. Well, and that's a spawn kill. That's literally a spawn kill. Hey, man. I'm not gonna kill you. I just want to say hi. Whoa. Hey. Don't kill me. Wait, there's like 13 of us in this round. I'm in 7th place, and I have my first kill. Strange and familiar. If you ever played this game before, like a long time ago, like put that in the comments below and tell me what weapons y'all had, like the minigun, the flamethrower, the poison cloud, or maybe like the railgun or something like that. There's so many good weapons in this game. Like, my favorite one's the railgun. Oh my god! We went flipping. And that vehicle's in the way. Move out my way, bud. Let's see if we can do a, Yep, we can do a, I forgot what you call them. Mid-air jump. So many players here. You good, my man? Are you just constantly shooting? We're gonna be a cop or something. Imagine, wait, I just got a good idea, guys. What if we can get these players to squad up with me? Even though it's like a battle royale type thing, like you can't even team up with players. And soccer players. He just keeps on shooting. Why does he keep shooting? Is he like glitched or something? I never see a player just do that like so much. He's also shooting while he's... What in the... This is the first time I've ever seen a glitch like this. I'm not gonna bug him because he might bug me. And I forgot that helicopters are very fast whenever you move forward or backwards. So that means it could get you into an accident or it could get you into a bad situation, and I have 100 health, and I could definitely fall from damage. And that too. And let me guess, I bet you, hold on, like, wait. There we go, I don't want to hit the ground to get more damage, and I bet I'm gonna die. Oh, crap. Is luck saving me or something? Never mind, I died for the first time. Dude, what? Are y'all being offensive? What in the world? The helicopters acting like they're in an action movie. What is going on? There's a goddamn helicopter being so freaking sus. Get out of here. Why are you trying to run over a player? You know what? Let's bring some action. It's gonna be the Fast and Furious. I've actually seen the movie before. Oh! Oh, I can do it too! Ow. That hurt. Oh, he left. Oh, blush me. That's the first time I ever sneezed in a video. Hey, wait, what did I do to you? Hey. This helicopter is going in a twisty version. Must get out of here. Why is there a gun float? Oh, yeah. I'm definitely gonna die. You can see the entire view of the city. Well, why is my gun floating? Y'all can see it, right? There's a ghost. It's a machine. That's not what I have. It's always in the default characters. It's just, I don't have it on me right now. Wait, do I? I don't remember. Let's see if we could spot them like on GTA. Are those new weapons? Oh yeah, I forgot the coin. We're finally up here. There's a floating machine gun. Okay, no, I do not have it. What in the absolute... Are you serious? Since when is there a floating gun? And I can't even get up there because I'm definitely gonna die from fall damage. There we go. Committed suicide. Fantastic. Weirdest thing ever. Ooh, nice tank. GTA tanks be like. Come here, boy. Come here. Don't you run away from me. I want to team up with you. Oh, there we go. I can. Is my view being dumb? Well, let me see it. Oh, wait. Wanna team up? You could be a good guy for smashing people. Alrighty, let's go get him. We finally made a friend, guys. Oh yeah, he's. Let's get ourselves some fire trucks and just, well, kill them. What are you doing? I don't want to have. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot you can ride in these. I forgot there's another passenger that can come in this vehicle with you too. That is so good. Like, you don't have to worry about a single person going inside of a vehicle. Boom! Wee. Let's go save some people and take them out. We're gonna be the fire department that just takes out people. I see a player down there. Actually, there's some players here. Ow! Come on, man. He stole our vehicle! I can shoot? That is so broken! That is so broken. He was like, where's that coming from? That is literally broken. He's like, what? Oh! This is just so good. What is he doing? I don't know. Let's go, boys. Why is he so slow? Does he think it's haunted? Is anybody gonna take this haunted fire truck? Okay, we just made some strange way to take out people in this game. Let's wait for another person to come up. Yes, our next victim. I think he knows. He knows, doesn't he? Let's let him drive. And we're gonna scare off some people. Wait a minute. Ah, crap. Let's go check out some people. Oh, imagine the minigun. That would be so epic. Just too epic. Like, this is the most broken thing ever. And this guy doesn't even know that I'm in this fire truck right now. Or does he even know? Let's go chase him. Yeah, let's definitely go chase the person. Okay, this way. Oh wait, it's the same dude! Oh crap! Help me! Help me! Shoot him! Crap! Out of ammo. Got him. Second kill of the day. That hurt. Let's go. We got our health. We got health. Now we just need some more assistance. What the? What the? Okay, that's weird. Let's follow this tank. Well, now I'm dead for the second time. Oh! Oh! No! We're just gonna make an entire junkyard. Whoa! Oh, whoa!